Flight 527 ready for departure.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines Flight 2998 bound for Atlanta, Georgia, with continued service to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. All aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should now be clear.
Up, I ain't dropping dynamite. Like that dynamite. Okay, this is getting crazy. Tigers getting cagey. Feeling something new, it's amazing. All the records breaking, history in the making. Feeling something new, it's amazing. If anyone's watching, let them keep talking and talking. Avalanche, start that avalanche. Okay, this is getting crazy. Tigers getting cagey. Feeling something new, it's amazing. All the records breaking, history in the making. Feeling something new, it's amazing.